Adverbial clause of time. Introduction. Hello, today material is the adverbial clause of time. Before that, I will introduce myself first. Hello, my name is Zara Nisa Regita. Is 6424174, Faculty of Economic and Business, majoring in Management. Adverbial clause of time. An adverbial clause of time or adverbial phrase of time is the part of a sentence that explains the occurrence of an event. This phrase usually begins with a junction of time. Adverbial time clauses are usually located at the beginning or middle of a sentence. What phrase is used in an adverbial clause of time? Number 1. When, ketika. An adverbial clause of time is a part of a sentence that provides information about when an event occurs. Example 1. She will call you when she arrives at the airport. Dia akan menelponmu ketika tiba di bandara. Number 2. We were so happy when we heard the good news. Kami sangat senang ketika mendengar kabar baik. Number 2. Whenever, kapanpun. The conjunction used in adverbial clause of time to explain when an event takes place sentences. Example. Number 1. Let me know whenever you need something. Beritahu aku kapanpun kamu butuh sesuatu. Number 2. Whenever it rains, I like to stay at home and read a book. Setiap kali hujan, saya suka tinggal di rumah dan membaca buku. Number 3. Before. Sebelumnya. The word before is a conjunction used in adverbial clause of time in English. It details the time before an event. Example. Number 1. I eat breakfast before leaving for work. Saya sarapan sebelum berangkat kerja. Number 2. We need to buy groceries before the store closes. Kita perlu membeli barang kebutuhan sebelum toko tutup. Number 4. After, setelah. After is used to show the time sequence between two events or activity. The use of after can also relate to the time that passes after an event. Example. Number 1. I will call you after I finish my work. Aku akan menelponmu setelah aku menyelesaikan pekerjaanku. Number 2. Lisa will finish her homework after a long nap. Lisa akan menyelesaikan pekerjaan rumahnya setelah tidur siang yang panjang. Number 5. While, ketika. While is used to indicate to activity or event that occur simultaneously. Example. Number 1. He fell asleep while watching the movie. Dia tertidur saat menonton film. Number 2. I like to listen to music while I'm studying. Saya suka mendengarkan musik saat saya sedang belajar. Number 6. Until, sampai. Until can be used as a conjunction and preposition, where until or till is the short and informal version. Example. Number 1. The store is open until 10 p.m. Toko itu buka sampai pukul 10 malam. Number 2. He didn't stop running until he reached the finish line. Dia tidak berhenti berlari sampai dia mencapai garis finish. Number 7. Sense, sejak. The senses synthesis which expresses time will focus on when the previous action occurred. Example. Number 1. He has been here since 7 a.m. Dia sudah di sini sejak jam 7 pagi. Number 2. They've lived in Bandung since 2021. Mereka sudah tinggal di Bandung sejak 2021. Number 8. As soon as, segera setelah. As soon as is a conjunction of time used in adverbial clause of time to indicate that an event occurred immediately after. Example. Number 1. I will call you as soon as I get the information. Saya akan menelponmu segera setelah saya mendapatkan informasi tersebut. As soon as she arrives, we will start the meeting. Segera setelah dia tiba, kita akan mulai pertemuannya. Adverbial clause of time formula. Main clause plus time conjunction plus subordinate clause. Example. Number 1. When she arrived, we started the meeting. Ketika dia tiba, kami mulai pertemuan. Number 2. After I finish my work, I will relax. Setelah saya selesai bekerja, saya akan bersantai. Number 3. We will leave before the sunset. Kami akan pergi sebelum matahari terbenam. Question number 1. Do you usually wake up in the morning? When do you usually answer? When do you usually wake up in the morning? Number 2. Will you take your final exam? Answer. When will you take your final exam? Number 3. What happens you eat spicy food? Answer. What happens whenever you eat spicy food? Number 4. She always brushes her teeth eating dinner. Answer. She always brushes her teeth after eating dinner. Number 5. What do you plan to do the class ends? Answer. What do you plan to do after the class ends? Number 6. What do you need to prepare going on a trip? Answer. What do you need to prepare before going on a trip? Number 7. What do you usually do? School start. Answer. What do you usually do before school start? Number 8. What do you waiting for your parents to pick you up? Answer. What do you do while waiting for your parents to pick you up? Number 6. The painting will be one exhibition the end of the month. Answer. The painting will be one exhibition until the end of the month. Number 10. They've lived in Bandung 2021. Answer. They've lived in Bandung since 2021. Thank you for giving me the opportunity to explain the adverbial clause of time material.